Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We'll do stuff COLTS way. It ain't always the right way, but we get it done. Today we're going to change the blades on this John Deere Zero Turn, the Z920M model, 48 inch. I used to have a little winch line I brought down that could lift the front up, but I can't find it right now. So got a bottle jack here and then the jack stand right there. Just get it up where you feel safe to get up under it, where you got enough room. First thing, well, I use the John Deere brand blades. The part number, I don't know if you can see it. Part number is M136194. M136194. I'll put these in the video description if you're looking for them. We just did a little video on how to change the oil, but today what we're going to do right now is let me get us a light up under here where we can see what's going on. So we'll put this here, hopefully. Oh yeah, perfect. So first thing I always like to do is get you some kind of WD-40, Infinity, whatever kind of lubricant you got to bust these nuts loose, because sometimes they're pretty, you know, they're really tight sometimes. So just get some kind of penetrant and spray them down. I've already sprayed this one down and I've already sprayed the other one, but I'm just kind of doing this for video purposes. Spray them down, let them sit a while. And what I have here is I believe it's a 24 millimeter socket. Put it on here, just like you'd loosen anything else. Put it in counterclockwise mode where it goes to the left. Hit it, it loosens down, and just real simple. So I'm gonna go get the new blade. Now, when you're putting these blades on, they go one way. So right here where it's got this little sharp edge, that's the cutting edge. The blades go to the right when engaged. It goes to the right and shoots the grass out the side. So you want these to be facing, don't flip it upside down because it ain't gonna cut for you know what. So I screw that in there like this. Screw that in there, and then I get it where I want it. I snug it up with this. There, that's it. You do that 2 more times and you just change out the blades on the mower. It's real simple. The best advice I can give you is get some kind of penetrant. Hit the bolts with the penetrating oil, let it sit 5 or 6 minutes, hit them again. Sometimes they come off real easy, sometimes they don't. But I just kind of wanted to go through a quick video on how to change it. So I'm gonna do that 2 more times. You know, a total of about 7 minutes, I'll have the blades changed. But it's that simple, guys. Like I said, I'll put the blades in the description, maybe some oil and filter. I don't know what you need, but this is for a John Deere Z920M. I believe this is a 2012 model, but I appreciate y'all watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you. I'm trying to grow this channel, and God bless. Y'all take care.